Start recording. Okay, I'm recording. Come on, Coop.
There we go.
Let's get this battle started, bruh.
Alright, my camera's like way up there. I don't even. Did
Oh
it keep
God.
spawning? Okay, whatever.
Oh well. Hey, at least I'm recording. You're gonna get touched, bro. What touch you with it? Oh, oh, you missed.
Oh my god.
Where are you going? Oh my God.
Dude, I'm rusty.
You're
Rusty.
rusty. What?
I got freaking chunk banned, yo.
Oh, bro.
Freaking long arms. Oh my lord.
Yeah. Stop complaining about long arms, bro.
Oh, I caught myself.
We out of here. Get out of here, bro.
Dude, stop spamming that emote.
What? We both went flying. We both went flying. Yeah.
Here's good.
You. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. I almost just got 3 shot. I died so bad I lagged out. I died so bad I lagged out almost. I
Wait,
died so
actually
bad
funny.
I almost lagged out. Goodbye. So good to know you can 3-shot people. Get me through
Oh,
my
what about
body.
You sound so funny.
Get out of here. You can one-shot me. I have no health. What is
Here,
that?
here. Take, wait, hold on. Take this.
Hold up.
Take the hot chocolate. It gives you health.
Okay.
Get the hot chocolate. Over there. Hot chocolate has better buffs though. But I like the company rations because you can put them on your hips.
Oh.
Where are you going?
Where am I going? I don't know. Where are you going? What?
Damn, my hook shot just disconnected. Yeah,
I caught myself.
Yeah, you're like 1 shot by now.
I am actually.
Yeah, you're freaking long guard.
Bro can't beat me. Whee!
Revive me!
You sound so sped.
Revive me!
Why do you sound like that?
Ooh, revive me!
You sound slow.
Revive me!
I thought you just died again. I was about to say, buddy, bro. Revive me, bro.
Revive me!
Revive me. Oh. Food.
Oh man.
Did you just try hitting me?
Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it. Stop spamming the same emote.
Stop spamming the same emote? That is wild. Oink.
You just teleported me to teleport spawn, bro. Oh my god, I literally landed on the teleport pad.
Oh.
Like you literally hit me dead on it.
Woo! Oh, ow. What the direct hits? I one time. Ow!
I want that.
Revive me! Revive me! Where are you running off to, Goop? You took off so fast. These things move so slow.
Hey,
Hot cocoa. Hot cocoa. I only have 20, how lovely. Oh.
I'm getting yeeted.
You
Oh
missed.
my gosh, where are you going? Where are you going?
You
Where
missed.
Are you going? Why are you running? Sorry, I was over farming as usual.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna cheat. I'm at like a quarter health, but I'm not gonna cheat.
What do you mean you're not?
I'm at like a 6 health actually. Yo, holy clutch.
I almost hit you, bro. I almost touched you. Where'd bro go?
Look behind you! Look behind you!
Yeah, I know. I know. Bro!
Oh my gosh. Distraction!
Honestly, you missed.
No, I'm not trying to hit you. I'm trying to dodge your attack.
Oh.
Because your longs are... Your arm... Oh my god, I just said your longs. Your arms are so freaking long.
I know, in real life too. Buddy, what did you just touch me with? Oh my...
The combo was worth it. Oh my god. Oh my... I'm at 1 shot.
Bro knows he's one shot. Oh.
Revive me! Revive me! Revive me!
Shut the hell up.
Revive me!
Oh my god. Why are you saying revive me? Why do you sound like that, Coop? Oh my...
I get the strat. Wait, I get the strat. I actually get the strat. Oh my gosh, wait, I get the strat.
So do I. I also get the shot. Weave. 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 Weave.
It's kind of hard though. You can't hit me, but it's easier this way.
What do you mean I can't hit you? What do you mean I can't hit you? Ooh. Oh, you actually hit me.
That's the strap.
Oh my, dude.
See, that's the strap.
Oh,
That's the strap.
I got one time.
See? No, I two-tapped you. No,
Okay.
but what I did though, look, this is what I did, Paul. See, you were standing like this, facing this way,
Mhm.
and I was like right here facing you, and I hit the hammer, and I went like that,
Oh.
and I got where you couldn't see me. Here, take this hot cocoa.
How did I hit that? But then, oh my god, this is gay. Hold up.
I don't even know if my recording can actually hear my mic. That's the sad part. Yet you keep on trying mindlessly. You gonna get that hot cocoa? It's waiting on you.
Oh, it is? Oh.
At least you only have one big long worm.
Yeah, because I know the strat. What the?
Oh, now it's easier. Okay.
Okay. We're flying around.
Bro, hookshot fights are so funny though.
Yeah.
Like, it's genuinely so funny. Oh my god.
Oh. What is this ultimate 1v1, bro? Revive me! Revive me!
Get the freaking MRE. Get the MRE.
Where's it? Oh. Where'd it bro go? Oh.
Combo. Oh my
Oh.
god. Same freaking emote, bro. It's not even the same emote.
What did you just hit me with? Oh. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Chill, chill, chill. Revive me! Revive me! Oh, it. Revive me! Why do I sound like that? I found the strat! I found the strat! I found the strat!
Yeah, you found this strat, buddy.
Yeah, I found a strat!
A strat. It's not the strat by far.
I know, because I don't have hammer.
It doesn't matter, you have a bigger weapon.
Oh? Yo? I'm at 2%.
You do realize that I'm like almost at full health, right?
Oh. Okay. Alright, I'll be back.
What?
I'm at 2%. I'll be back.
Okay.
Ugh.